Getting the right fit for your earbuds is essential for a pleasurable listening experience and for getting the best out of our noise-canceling feature with our truly wireless headphones. Let's look at 5 tips that will help you with using the earbuds and selecting the optimum size earbuds to fit your ears. Our truly wireless headphones are sold with different sized earbuds included, from SS size to L size. Tip number 1. How to easily remove the truly wireless headphones from the charging case. Use your finger to tilt the earbuds. Then hold it securely with 3 fingers and lift it out of the case. Tip number 2. How to adjust the fit for your truly wireless headphones. To adjust the fit, twist the earbuds to fit snugly into the ear canal. Adjust the position of the earbuds until it fits comfortably. Depending on how the earbuds are worn, the noise-canceling effects may not be fully achieved. Tip number 3. If you need to, you can choose different size earbud tips for your left and right ears. At the time of purchase, M-sized earbud tips come attached to the earbuds. If these do not fit your ear canals, try changing to different size earbud tips for a more snug fit. Tip number 4. Use the Headphone Connect app to help you determine which earbud tip best suits you. Launch the app and go to the system settings. Select Determine Optimal Earbud Tips. Select Compare All Sizes. For the app, compare the various sizes to determine the optimum fit for noise cancellation. Follow the app's instruction to compare the different earbud tip sizes. When the comparison is completed, the Headphone Connect app will recommend the optimal combination of earbud tips for you. Tip number 5. Use the Headphone Connect app to measure the air tightness of your current earbud tips. Launch the app and go to the system settings. Select Determine Optimal Earbud Tips. Select Test the Wearing Condition to let the app determine the fit of your current earbud tips. Follow the app's instructions. Select Start to begin. The app will play a series of tones to determine the fit of the current earbud tips. If the fit is airtight, the app will show both as airtight. If the fit of either or both earbud tips are not tight, follow the app's instruction to make the required changes and measure again. You can let the app compare all the earbud tip sizes to find the optimum fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these tips will be useful.